Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, I am Valencia. I am looking very tanned, very golden. My foundation might be a little bit off from the rest of my skin. It's because it's a little bit lighter. I still haven't found my proper summer shade just yet or anything that will suit my tan, so ignore that. But today's tutorial is going to be an easy one. I'm going to show you how to create wearable yet buildable techniques. That doesn't make sense. I'm going to show you techniques or different styles of eyeliners. Looks are very wearable, but also buildable. I want you guys to be able to wear this on, every day if you want to, or even dress it up for an evening look as well. So I'm keeping them very simple, nothing too creative, nothing too complicated. So I've done all of my makeup, but I'm just going to need an eyeliner and a mascara to complete the rest of this look. So if you'd like to see how to create different looks with your eyeliner, then please keep on watching. So I've zoomed you guys in to see a little bit more of what I'm doing to the eyeliner. My skin might be very dry. I can't tell you, I have been flaking everywhere. My shoulders, my chest. I've even started flaking around my forearm and my wrist as well. So I might be a little bit dry, but ignore that. So I'm using, for these looks, I'm going to use my Maybelline New York Lasting Drama eyeliner. I like this eyeliner quite a lot because it's like a little pen sort of thing, or I don't know how you describe it. It's like a little sharp tip, if you can see that. I don't like any of the pen eyeliners. I've tried some of the gel eyeliners as well, they just don't work for me. But pick your favorite eyeliner and we can get started. So since I'm going to be showing you some of the techniques, I am going to start with a really basic eyeliner. So normally I like to start from the inner 2/3 of my eye and build it out into a wing. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to start from the inside and then work my way out. I'm starting from the inside and just drawing a thin outline of the eyeliner, and I'm going to stop just where the outer corner of my eye is. This is quite a basic look. I use this technique for when I'm wearing eyeshadow and I don't really want to wear eyeliner, but I'm still trying to hide the band of the of my lashes. It's quite easy. You can wear this every day as well if you wanted to, and you've got the choice of either building on your lower waterline and your upper waterline as well with a kohl eyeliner if you wanted to. And there we have it. So this is the first one. It's very basic, and to be honest, when I started wearing makeup, this was probably the first look and the only look I created with my eyeliner, and I wore this for a very long time before I started creating a wing. So this is it. All I'd have to do now is wear some mascara and finish the look, and it still looks pretty good. The second look is the cat eye or the winged eyeliner. I've done a tutorial on this one, so I'll leave the link up here if you'd like to see it. I just did it in step by step. Normally I like to start the eyeliner, like I said, from the inner 2/3 of my eye, build the wing and then go on the inside. But since I've already done the inside, now all I need to do is build up on the wing. With deep set eyes, it can be quite difficult to create a winged eyeliner. So what I like to do is, starting from the outside, just create the flick of my wing just by drawing the end of the flick, and then you want to take your eyeliner and gradually join it to the rest of the eyeliner. Now I personally don't like my tails looking too long or too thick, so this is the wing that I normally go for, but feel free to go as long as you want with the tail or as thick as you want with the cat eye as well. If you like a really bold look, then go for it. Personally, because of the shape of my eyes, I feel like a smaller wing works better for me. Otherwise, it starts to take over all the outer corner that I have and it just doesn't look that nice on me. Now, if you'd like to build a little bit more on the style of eyeliner you want, you can do. The next one is going to be the feline, which is bringing the whole cat look together. So I'm going to work on the inner corners of my eye. And this is completely optional if you'd like to wear this look. I normally stick to the cat eye look, the winged eyeliner look, but if you'd like to, just add a little bit more of a feline effect, then this is for you. So now that you've got the rest of your wing, you just need to work on the inside. So this is a little bit harder to explain, but essentially what you're doing is you're bringing the eyeliner from the inner corner of your eye a little bit further from your tear duct, as you can see, and then you want to connect it to the lower lash line. You can see that I've dragged a little bit too much product on the inside, but I will talk you through how to correct it, not to worry. Now you can see that I've made a bit of a mistake on this side of my eyeliner. I've drawn it in a little bit too much, and that's the problem with deep set eyes, is that because our eyes are so deep within our socket, you can't really work on this too much because it'll just drag it all the way out. But don't worry, I can fix this. I'm just going to let it dry, and then using a spoolie I will wipe the excess off. So I'll just move on to the other eye and then come back and fix the mistake. Just like working with mascara, if you ever make a mistake like this, you can always just rub it off with a bit of spoolie. And then all you need is a flat brush like this with some of your concealer, and then just touch up. And there you go, that's all fixed. So if you'd like to add a little bit more to this look, you can. You can add a kohl eyeliner. Any colour will do. If you want to go with black, just, you know, darken your lower waterline, you can do. Or if you want to play with some different colours, whether it's brown, add a bit of a pop. If you want to go with some brighter colours, you can do as well. I don't often wear any like kohl eyeliners or any sort of eyeliner on my lower lash line or my waterline because my eyes are very sensitive, and it's been like that since I've had hay fever. So even a little bit of product in my lower lash line, or sorry, not lower lash line, in my waterline will make my eyes really teary, and then regardless of how waterproof some of the kohl eyeliners are, I get really teary and it's a mess. So I stay away from them, but if you'd like to do that, you can do. And now the last one, you might think it's the easiest thing ever, but if you wanted to sort of exaggerate this look, you can do. And all you have to do is add another line to the wing. And there we go. So that's simple as it is, but if you wanted to, you could fill the space in between both those lines of your wing. If you wanted to, you could also, whilst you've done the wing eyeliner, you can also add a little bit of a glitter on it as well, so you can make it like a bold eyeliner look. But these are the different ways I would normally do my eyeliner. Like I said, I don't often go for the V-line, but I would definitely go for the double, like a double wing sort of thing. And those are the looks. It literally took me half an hour to play with these, but I hope you like them. I hope there's a little bit of education in these techniques and these different styles. They're all very simple to do, all really wearable, all buildable as well, like you saw. And this one in particular is very, I don't know, it's got those like Asian, Arabic, like that sort of vibes, like Egyptian sort of vibes. I don't know, I'm really liking this. And if I was to go to like an Indian event or something, in fact my friend is getting married this May, so who knows, I may actually wear this eyeliner. I actually, from what I can see, it looks really good. So I hope you found all of these looks very helpful. I mean, I tried to include as many techniques as I could. I have done a couple of videos where I've played a little bit with my eyeliner as well, so if I find them, I will leave them linked in the description box below. But if you do recreate any of these eyeliners, then do tag me in your posts. I'm on Instagram, I'll leave my handle there. So yeah, I look forward to that. But this is it from me. I will see you in my next video. If you have any other suggestions, then leave them in the comments below and I'd be happy to try them for you. But yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.